Transferring cryptocurrency from KuCoin to Coinbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of cryptocurrency transfers and the role of blockchain technology in facilitating these transactions. First, you need to create an account on both KuCoin and Coinbase if you have not already done so. Once your accounts are set up, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. From here, you can view your available cryptocurrencies and select the one you want to transfer. Next, go to your Coinbase account and find the Receive section, where you will find your unique wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This address is crucial as it serves as the destination for your transfer. It is vital to double-check that the address is correct and matches the type of cryptocurrency you are transferring. Now, go back to your KuCoin account and initiate the transfer by selecting the Send or Withdraw option. Enter the Coinbase wallet address you obtained earlier, and make sure to select the correct network for the transfer, such as the Ethereum network for ERC20 tokens. After entering the address and selecting the network, you will need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be aware of the minimum and maximum transfer limits, as well as any transfer fees associated with the transaction. Once you have confirmed all the details, submit the transfer request. The transfer will then be processed on the blockchain, and the time it takes to complete will depend on the network congestion and the number of confirmations required by Coinbase. To track the status of your transfer, you can use a blockchain explorer or check your Coinbase account for updates. It is also important to note that transfer fees and times may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network being used. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from KuCoin to Coinbase requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of blockchain technology. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently transfer your cryptocurrency between these two platforms.